Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. The Beats Solo 4 has battery and your phone supports Bluetooth or wired audio. Turn the headphones on and put them in pairing mode. Hold the power button until the LED flashes. On the phone, open Bluetooth settings and make the device discoverable. For wired connection, plug the correct cable into both devices. Once done, you're ready to move into the phone pairing screen because this reduces retries and prevents accidental connections. You now select Beats Solo 4 from the phone's Bluetooth list. If it doesn't appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh. When prompted, accept pairing requests and grant microphone or media permissions so calls and controls work. For wired use, switch the phone audio output to the headphone device in sound settings and test playback with a short clip. Make sure to keep the devices within 6 to 10 meters during initial pairing for a stable handshake. You finish by testing audio playback, microphone, and on-ear controls. Adjust volume and check call audio. If connection fails, reset the headphones. Hold power for 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then retry pairing. This clears previous pairings. If problems persist, restart your phone and check for firmware updates in the Beats or phone settings because mismatched firmware can block pairing. One tip: move away from other Bluetooth devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.